Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I share my investment journey of stocks and crypto with you guys as well. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my passive income on my crypto. I'll be sharing with you guys how much interest and bonuses I received on my crypto for the month of July. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own research before you invest your money. So let's look at my interest and bonuses for the month of July. Just quickly before we get started, if you like the way the interest works in these companies and you would like to join them, I'll leave a link in the description below to my website's deals page where you can get links to all these companies so you can earn your free bonuses and free crypto by joining through these links. So first off, we've got Luno. Now my Luno account, I invested 0.02 Bitcoin. For the month of July, I received £1.48. If you would like to find out more about Luno, I'll link a video on top where I go into more detail about Luno and give you a full tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm and I would appreciate your support a lot. Next up we've got Kucoin. Now my initial investment was for 266 Kucoins, and for the month of July I earned £8.16. If you'd like to find out more about Kucoin, I'll link a video on top where I go into more detail about how Kucoin works. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Now next up we've got Crypto.com. Now I've got a few things here where I'm earning. Now first off, I invested 5,000 CRO coins and that is earning interest every single month. For the month of July, I earned $5.48. Apart from earning interest on crypto you're stacking, you can also supercharge coins. ENJ coins finished off their payments in June, so I didn't receive any for the month of July. But the next coin that was after that was Shiba. Now I started getting my interest in Shiba in June. Now for the month of July, I received $9.73. But as you can see, I received over 1 million coins for the month of July, which I'm really happy about, because in the long run those coins can really go up in value, which means it will be a lot more than just the $9, but that was the value of the coins at the end of July. If you'd like to find out more about Crypto.com, I'll link a video on top where I go into more detail about how Crypto.com works. I'll be sharing bonuses with you and how the supercharge work as well. Now last up is my Nexo account, which is my favorite one when it comes to crypto interest, as it doesn't matter what the fluctuation is in crypto, your interest you'll be earning has to do with the amount of coins you own. As you can see, even with all the fluctuations, I always earn more coins every single month on Nexo, which is really great in my opinion. Now for the month of July, I earned $30.42. But I still earned more coins than I did in the month of July. So for the month of July, I earned £9.64, and I've also earned $45.63. So that gives me a total earnings of £42.46. I know it doesn't seem like a lot if you look at the small amount, but so far for the tax year of April 2020 to April 2021, I have earned £175.09. Since this is part of my retirement plan that I've only actually started in February, I'm really happy with the growth and the progress I've made so far in 6 months. Just imagine how much this can grow if I continue to do this for the next 9.5 years, because I am planning to retire within the next 10 years, as I'm not willing to wait till I'm 65 or 75, whatever the retirement age will be by the time I actually get there. I still want to enjoy my retirement while I'm young and still able to do the things I would like to do. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day guys. Bye.